What's going on? What's going on? DC in the building. Blessings and abundance, my brothers and sisters. Whoever is watching. Let's have a great week, bro. It's Monday, April 20, 420 for you guys. You feel me? We are here. We're trying to have a great week. We are gonna have a great week. And we're just gonna keep running it up, man. Ain't nothing different. Ain't nothing different. So right now, as y'all know, we are trading gold. Let's see if we got any news today that we gotta worry about. Let's see. Take all this off. We don't care about none of that. It don't look like we have any news. The whole week. So Monday we clear. We don't have no news. It's straight clear. You feel me? Yeah, straight clear. Update on the account. We haven't taken any trades since. Oh, shit. We haven't taken any trades since Tuesday. Tuesday was our last winning day, or our last trading day, because Wednesday and Thursday we didn't get nothing. So we ended the week green, but the month still red. The account is at break even at 50K. With the trailing stop loss at 4,800. 48,800. So we're still trying to get to the 53K to get funded and then going for that payout. So what we gonna be doing is we gonna be waiting and seeing where the market is gonna take us next. This is the same account. I'm not gonna get another account until we pass this one. I don't know yet if I want to do two accounts at the same time. I'm still debating on it because right now we are at break even. So I'm still taking it easy. You feel me? I don't know if they actually pay out and things like that. So I have seen reviews that they say that they do pay out and it's really quick, but I haven't seen it for myself because I haven't gotten a payout from this loser account. So I'm trying to do this live with you guys. All right. Oh, wow. Wow. I saw this yesterday. I was like, golly. Look at that gap. We're going to be filling in that gap soon. So, yeah. We still got some more to go to fill in the gap. It might not fill in the whole entire gap, but as looking at price, how it's moving, it might just fill in that gap. We already took London highs, Tokyo highs. We might be. We'll see what price is going to do, man. Update from last week, we see that price did hold right here. If y'all didn't see the analysis that I said, I did say that if price from here on Thursday, if it doesn't break these highs, it's gonna be testing these lows and then these lows right here. These lows. It's gonna be testing these lows. But since price on Thursday failed to break that high, We were gonna test. We were the next low we were gonna test. It was gonna be these lows where it was holding at. Then we broke these highs, and then price just came back down to see how strong these lows were, and here. But man, we don't know what's gonna happen. We just react to what price is doing currently. This is the higher time frame. This is the 1 hour. We turn on the 5 minute. So right now, price can do a variation of different things. We could be aiming to break these highs, or just create another lower high and continue to the downside. But for right now, we are heading to the upside. Right now, price is looking like it wants to fill in the entire gap from this momentum right here. This entire momentum, as you can see from here and then here. From these two moves, we can see that price wants to keep heading to the upside. Yeah, price is looking nice, looking clean. We'll see what we getting today. We're not forcing nothing. We're just waiting for price to tell us what it wants to do. We have a 13 EMA cross indicating that price and momentum has switched back to the upside. So now we're just waiting for a trade setup. If we get to tap this 15-minute demand along with a 5-minute demand, then it's looking bright. But for now, we're just waiting. Bitcoin is at 75K. It is looking pretty strong to the upside, just because it created a double bottom and is at a really good price. It did hold and test the 200, and it held it around there. Also, it did tap the $59,000 mark, and that's pretty huge. It hasn't gone back there since. So I am waiting for a little more of a retracement, because it still has all the way till here to hit the low, the bottom. This is just the analysis that I have. This is not financial advice, nothing like that. But this is what I'm looking for in order to keep buying more Bitcoin. I'm waiting for price to break these lows and then head back to the upside. What I'm looking for around here is a lower high to break these lows, and then from there I'll move on. I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit lower than 59,000, maybe possibly heading to 40K, but we'll see what this type of movement does. We are in a different market. We are in a different we are in a different market conditions. It's completely different from how it moved back in 2020, 2021, and 2022, 2024. So we are in different times. You feel me? But I do see price creating another lower high and a lower low. So we might just hit 50K, 40K, or test again of 59,000. Roblox came to the downside like crazy. Sheesh. That move was 200%, bro. Roblox is very volatile. It swiped these highs and then just retraced like crazy. But Ethereum on nothing. United Health, Spy is breaking all time highs like there's no tomorrow, man. That thing look beautiful. That thing look beautiful, man. Hmm. Price almost filled that whole entire gap. This is where price closed at. Right there. Yeah. That's where price closed at. Um Y'all already know Nasdaq be moving crazy and very very volatile when it hits 9:30. So for now, we're just gonna be waiting. Like I said, we are trending to the upside for right now, so that's what we're waiting on for price to give us a trade setup to continue back to the upside. So that's what we on right now. This crude on. Damn. Man, what was that? This gotta be like 40 points. 30. 30 points. 33. See, this is what I see Bitcoin doing. And then, like, holding the 200, creating a lower high like this, creating a lower high like this, and then just taking that down. But we don't know what price is gonna do. We should see and react to what price does. I do want to lower my risk because I don't want to be in the negatives again. but I'm going to trade how I normally trade. It don't matter. Yeah. I'm gonna take the setup depending on what it gives me. Depending on what it gives me, I'm gonna just take the setup. It doesn't matter. I don't know what my other lives are like. Um, they get, what is it called? Let me see. They get restricted in some countries just because I put some background music. Like what? What are you talking about, bruh? I put music whenever I want. What you talking about? Like I said, this is dot count right now. This is what it's looking like. We were up all the way here. No, here. But now we are at break even again. This month has been rough on my account. I'm not gonna lie. But this week is gonna be a great week. We gonna get some great setups. I can feel it. I'm getting type hungry, bro. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm hungry, so. 10-hour candle closed already. Let's see what we on. There's no way. How the hell last minute you just gonna do that? What? There's no way it's gonna hold this level of support. There's no way. There's no way. There's so no way. That would be crazy. I mean, I seen it happen before. Sheesh, look at it right there. Dang. It closed to above the 13 is wild. What? What? Closing above the 13 after that big ass drop, boy? Are you serious? That was tough, I guess. That looks like a lower high on the 1 minute. Shit, why am I drowning so much, man? What the hell? Why am I yawning so much? I need some chapstick. Momo. I know what to do. Yeah, it's not gonna hold this time. Done. It's not gonna hold this time. All right, so we tapping into the 15-minute demand. Let's see what it do. If we top to 5, that's even better. That's even better. But why is there so much momentum to the downside? We didn't even fully cover the gap. That was 2 green candles that created this this whole thing. Damn. That's tough. Golly. That was 90 points. What it do? What it do? What it do? Let's see if we get this entry right now. On this candle. This might be the entry candle. This might be the entry candle. Let's see, let's see. Look here now. Look here now. What the hell? Damn, this thing didn't even. This thing didn't even give me a chance to get in. That's crazy. I guess. I didn't even get an entry. This kind of started acting crazy. I didn't even get an entry. But that was the trade though, golly. Damn, it's going straight for take profit number 2. Damn, I didn't even get an entry though. That was too quick. Like it's just happening out of nowhere. Damn, gold. I ain't even got an entry, bro. What the hell? Bro, the last 5 seconds of the candle, that was when it gave me the entry. The last 5 seconds of the candle before it closed. That's crazy. This thing didn't even give me an entry to ride this, bro. It's all good. It's all good. Damn. I guess that was the trade, bro. What the hell? Gold on what? The last 5 seconds of the trade. I mean, the last 5 seconds of the candle. That's when gold decided to give me an entry. I might have to journal that because, bruh, missing a trade does not feel good. Especially when it was a good setup and then it was like literally the last 5 seconds. The last 4 seconds of the candle close. That's when gold decides to move sporadic and crazy and then give me an entry. Like, that was crazy. I was literally ready, but not that ready. Golly. Damn. And it hit 3 take profits. Sheesh. That was the move I was waiting for. It's over now. Shit. That's wild. Damn, son. Yeah, that's it, bro. I'm not about to sit here and wait for another setup because it's not about to happen. This is not about to give me another setup. Crazy. It's over for that. That was the setup right there. Um, as, if y'all look at the replay, y'all see that this only gave me an entry 4 seconds before the candle closed, and I didn't have the contracts ready on my platform. It moved way too fast. I'm not gonna lie. Um, I'm not mad at it. There's nothing I could have done besides just take the setup and hope for the best. But I don't. That would have been crazy if I would have took an entry 3 seconds. Like I honestly thought we were gonna stay. We were gonna stay because we were on this candle right here. We were right here when it hit 4 seconds. We were here when it hit three, two, and then one. Like it's just moved too fast for me, right? Um, and the next candle does this. It pulls back, and 2 seconds later, like it's just it hit take profit. I wasn't ready for that, so there's nothing I could be mad at, you know. Um, it is what it is. It's that simple. It is what it is. I missed that setup, and I maxed out. That's it. Literally, there's nothing I could have done right there, besides having the contracts already there, and then just click buy when it was about to close, like 2 seconds. It only gave me like 2 seconds or a second to actually execute it, but I wasn't prepared for that move. Um, yeah, that's it. I'll just journal that and make sure I'm prepared for the next time. Trades like these that you miss is gonna affect the P&L, and it's gonna affect the way your monthly outcome. You feel me? But you just gotta learn and keep moving forward. Don't stay stuck. Oh, I missed the trade. You feel like shit. Like don't do that, cause it's not gonna help no way, shape, or form. Um, like I said, this was a great setup, amazing, beautiful setup, but it just happened too quick. Um, within within 1 minute already hit take profit. Within 3 minutes it hit take profit number two. Um, yeah, I should journal that and be prepared for the next time. But it's DC. Peace, love, and abundance to all of y'all. I appreciate anybody that was watching this, and you feel me? We on this. I'll catch y'all tomorrow at 9:30, around 9:30, 9:20, around that time. I'm just documenting this. We can take. We should we gonna I'm gonna show up tomorrow, bro. You feel me? Gold moving crazy right now. Peace, love, and abundance to all of y'all. I'm out of here. Peace.